Tougher lockdown rules in Scotland will come into force on Saturday, including new restrictions on click and collect services and on drinking alcohol outdoors. Meanwhile, the EU says it wants to buy up to 60 million doses of a new COVID vaccine being developed by a biotech company in West Lothian. Juliet Dunlop is in Edinburgh. So, Juliet, clinical trials already underway. I'm sure everybody wants to know when the new vaccine could be ready.
Yeah, that is the big question, Kate. But the Valneva vaccine hopefully is already on the path towards approval. Testing will really be scaled up in the next couple of months, and if successful, some 4,000 volunteers will then be recruited. They'll be injected with 2 doses of the vaccine to test its efficacy. And certainly it could potentially be ready. It could be on stream by the end of this year. Now, the UK government is already heavily invested. It has pre-ordered 60 million doses. And now, after successful talks with the EU, it has also pre-ordered 60 million doses. So really very encouraging indeed. And the plant in Livingston in West Lothian, where it will be manufactured, well, it is planning to expand and recruit more staff in anticipation of a big demand.
We should be a better value for money over time. So our vaccine will be cheaper than some of the vaccines like Moderna's and like the Pfizer-BioNTech. Really, this is just a great chance for us to show that we can make a difference to the UK and the global need for a vaccine.
I'm hugely proud that Scotland is developing a vaccine and it's being done right here in my Livingston constituency. It's going to be absolutely crucial to have the diversity of vaccines, to have Valneva's vaccine, not just in Scotland and the UK, but in terms of exporting it to the EU.
So really very exciting news, Kate, about that new vaccine. But in terms of the current programme, well, the Scottish Government, it has been accused at points over the last few days of being sluggish in rolling out the programme. But it's responded by really saying that is not the case, and it is now pledging to get 400,000 people vaccinated every week by the end of next month. So really very ambitious plans. But this, of course, all comes alongside even tighter lockdown restrictions, because from Saturday, well, things like click and collect, it will only be available for things deemed essential retail. Takeaway is also affected. Customers won't be able to go inside to buy food. They'll have to be served through a serving hatch. That really is a move that many organisations have called revenue crushing. Also, alcohol can't be served in public places, so no takeaway pints available. And companies could face sanctions if they don't allow staff to work from home, if they can work from home. So a real tightening of restrictions once again. But again, we are involved in this race between the virus and the vaccine, and that really highlighted over the next couple of days.
Thanks very much indeed, Juliet. Thank you.